Hello everyone, and this is the lecture in this series where we've been talking about chords the entire time and their functions. And so now I'm going to introduce to you the whole major scale. So, we have tonic, which is 1. We have dominant, 2, or supertonic, which is 2. We have 3, which is mediant, 4, submediant, 5, dominant, 6, submediant, 7 is our leading tone, and then tonic is it. So if I were to play these, I want you to start playing from this. And then skip down. Alright, so it probably won't skip down for me, but I can play it. With that, da da da, and then D, we have E, and then the F is the second primary chord that we talked about, F A C. 5 is the dominant, and then submediant is 6 minor. Seventh is always diminished, and then back to tonic. So the diminished chord is also leading tone because it always wants to lead. It always wants to lead back. So that is how we make these work.